I would absolutely recommend RS Assessment and Assembly if you're thinking about a platform to analyse data because of the level of support, customer service and reliability that both organisations provide for us.
We would definitely recommend Assembly and the RS Assessment because actually it has made our lives a lot easier. It's really helped us to develop teachers, to develop a really clear understanding of ARE and of greater depth, and it's helped with making sure that actually all of the data that we know that's coming in is clear, and it gives that extra bit of validation alongside the teachers' assessments.
The companies are working in partnership. They're both open to negotiation around the product and around how the products integrate. From that perspective, it's been a brilliant experience, absolutely.
I'd absolutely recommend it. We've found that working with two partners in that way to help us with a partner that's focused on the assessment side of things and a partner that's focused on pulling together a wide variety of data is invaluable for a trust of our size of 22 schools and growing. It would be very difficult for us otherwise to manage that.
We would definitely recommend them. Very useful.